Ever wondered what contextual SEO backlinks are and why they are important? Picture this. SEO is like a city's infrastructure, and backlinks are the roads that connect everything. Now imagine these roads have a context, a theme or topic that's relevant to your website's content. That's what we mean by contextual SEO backlinks. They're not just any roads, but the ones that make sense and add value to your site. Now that you have an idea about what contextual SEO backlinks are, let's delve deeper into their importance. Why should you care about contextual SEO backlinks? Well, these are not just ordinary backlinks, they are strategically placed within the content and surrounded by relevant information. This context makes them more meaningful and valuable to search engines. Imagine you're reading a well-written article about gardening. Inside this article you find a backlink to a website selling gardening tools. This backlink is contextual because it is placed in an environment that makes sense to the reader and the search engine. Contextual SEO backlinks can significantly increase your website traffic. They are like a vote of confidence from other websites, telling search engines that your content is valuable and reliable. This can improve your website's ranking on search engines, making your site more visible to potential visitors. Furthermore, these backlinks add credibility to your site. Readers are more likely to trust and engage with your content if they see it is endorsed by other relevant and reputable sites. Clearly, contextual SEO backlinks are not just important, they are crucial for your website's ranking and credibility. How can you effectively include contextual SEO backlinks in your content? Well, let's dive right into it. The first step is to create relevant, high-quality content. Remember, your content is the foundation on which your SEO strategy is built. The more valuable and relevant it is, the more likely other sites will want to link to it. Next, consider linking to authoritative sites. When you link to a reputable source, it not only adds credibility to your content but also sends positive signals to search engines about the quality of your backlinks. Finally, use appropriate anchor text. The anchor text should be relevant to the page you're linking to and should naturally fit into your content. Avoid over-optimizing as it can lead to penalties. Implementing contextual SEO backlinks might seem complicated, but with these steps, you can significantly improve your website's SEO. Remember, it's all about creating quality content and establishing meaningful connections with authoritative sites. Now that we've learned how to implement contextual SEO backlinks, let's discuss some common mistakes that you should avoid. Firstly, avoid using the same anchor text for all your backlinks. This may seem like an easy way to increase your SEO, but it can actually lead to penalties from search engines. Secondly, avoid linking to low-quality or irrelevant websites. Remember, the quality of the site you're linking to is just as important as the quality of your own content. Lastly, avoid overloading your content with backlinks. While it's important to include backlinks, having too many can make your content seem spammy and can negatively affect your SEO. Always remember, quality over quantity. Before we move on to the recap, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more informative content on SEO strategies. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about contextual SEO backlinks. These are links from relevant content, making them a potent part of any SEO strategy. They're crucial because search engines like Google perceive them as high-quality, authentic links, which can dramatically improve your website's ranking. Implementation is all about creating valuable, relevant content and linking it naturally within that content. Remember, contextual SEO backlinks are a powerful tool in your SEO strategy. Use them wisely to boost your website's ranking and credibility.